Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, it's the time to draw out the winner for my birthday challenge giveaway. And there we have three parts of the drawing, and this is the first, the option one, that would for those who leave a comments and like my challenge video. So yeah, I will have prepared three prizes, and I already show you the prize, and so I will not show you again here because I have another video to show you the prize for the challenge. So yeah, this is the option one for those who leave a comment for my challenge. And so yeah, here all the tickets, the name here we have about 50 names, because I have three parts of the drawing, so different the name is I will put 3 tin here. Okay, my beautiful tin. So I show you the name here. This night is what, how to say, Night Angel 0515. Okay, this is one name, and show you another name. Emily Roman. Nora Harris. So all the name is here. Jane Stoke 11011. Okay, all the name here. So I will just shake and draw the three lucky winner. So yeah, okay, get the one, see who is the lucky winner to get the prize. Oh, this is Patricia S. Okay, congratulations to you, Patricia, and so happy you get the prize. So happy for you. And yeah, please send me an email for your address. I will wait 24 hours, and yeah, start from now. If still have no email from you all for the address, I will pick another person for the to get the prize. Okay, now the second winner is, oh, so happy for you, Tamara. Yeah, please, yeah, I have your address if I not mistaken, but anyway, please send me an email for your address so I can send the gift for you. Okay, because Tamara is one of the member in my group. She purchase my kit often. So happy for you, Tamara. I think it's Tam. Okay, the third lucky winner is, see who is the lucky winner. Sophie's Shabby Little Corners. Okay, please email me for your address, and I will wait until 24 hours if still no any email, so I will pick another person. Okay, congratulations to three of you for the get the prize, and thank you so much for taking your time to leave a comment for my giveaway. And yeah, please stay tuned for the second draw for those who make the camera and do the video response. And yeah, please stay tuned, and congratulations to you all, and